Hey, what's going on, guys? So right here we got an external battery, or also known as a power bank, from the brand POWERADD. Many of you people want to buy something but you don't know what to expect, so these videos are good for that. So right now we're gonna do an unbox really quick and show you guys what it's about. Like I said, this is from the brand POWERADD. This is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery charger. You can see right here, it's pretty big once you see it. Right now we're gonna weigh it so you know how much you're gonna carry. All right, what you're gonna get is two outputs so you can connect two devices at the same time. We also have a LED lamp that turns on when you hit it 2 times, the button. Well, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. It turns on, and if you want to turn it off, 2 times. There we go. And we got a blue LED indicator of how much charge this has. I don't think you can see it on the video, but trust me, I can see it. And also, what do we got? We got the charging port right here that comes with a micro USB cable. I think it's pretty short, so I would use another one. But that goes right here. There you go. And that's how you would charge it. So, how much does this thing weigh? We got right here a little digital weight. Turn it on. And it's at 0. I hope you can see that. It's 0. And let's put this thing here. And it weighs 419 grams, so that's like a half a kilo. How much is this on ounces? 14.8 ounces. So that's pretty heavy, you know. But if you want to have 20,000 milliamp hour capacity charger, well, that's how much it's gonna weigh. Even if it's another form factor, it could be square or what you want, but this is rectangle size. So I hope you like this video. Like I said, this is from the brand POWERADD. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And I hope you guys like this video, so give it a like. If you're not subscribed, well, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.